Hello, this is Christopher Busak from DWD Technology Group. I'm going to be covering today how to use Sage 100 in Paperless Office to print and retrieve registers. Are you tired of all the paper and ink that you're wasting by printing all the updates and posting registers required in Sage 100? Have you ever wanted to maybe go back and find a register that a staff member updated only to discover that it was lost or thrown out? Covering some simple steps today on how to reduce the paper and ink costs and permanently store your documents in a PDF format. Our first step today is going to be going to Paperless Office, and then we will go down to Setup. Here we're going to set up how, or at least what we are storing. So we're not going to be covering forms or reports today. We're just going to be looking at journals and registers. And then we want to load data on initial viewer access for the journals and register viewer. Now here we're going to leave unchecked, mainly due to the journals and registers. If we had checked this, we'd only be keeping the very last copy, which wouldn't be a good way to track our history. So we're going to go and leave that unchecked. Now this is going to take up a little more data, but it's also going to give you a clear picture of your past. We're going to go and click Accept there. Now we're going to go to the Journal and Register Maintenance, and you're going to go ahead and enter in your company code, which modules you wish to store, be it sales orders or your general ledger, or any other item containing a journal register. Then you wish to select a location. You can do a direct location such as this using your computer's name, or what you can do is you can just click here and select a location. Here you will select yes if you wish the PDFs to be auto-created. If you do select no here, you'll be prompted each time if you wish to save a journal to Paperless Office. Here you'll select whether or not you want something to be password protected, and then it'll ask you to set up a password. Once you have this all set up to the point where you're happy, go ahead and click Accept. Next, you're going to close this, and we're going to look at the Journal and Register viewer. Here you'll see the journals and registers that are between this date range. In order to change it, you can either select the calendar here, or you can manually change the value. Now, changing the value will not reset this page. You must click Refresh. And here you'll see the journal entries I've made recently. And here is an example of a journal count that I made in the past. Now, if you have any further questions, you can reach out at 260-423-2414. And this has been Christopher Busak on how to use Sage 100 Paperless Office to print and retrieve registers. Thank you very much for listening, and hope you have a great day.